Now I'm working on the third box, which is one of two drawer boxes, and the problem I'm dealing with right now is when one of the seats will be up, I'll have to deal with the angle of the seat, which is represented by this stick right here. So this is roughly the angle of the seat standing up. So I have to take that into account, and I have to trim this top piece about 2 inches in, so I can allow the seat to fit in. And then when the seat is folded down, I can have this basically this piece I just cut off, which could basically fold up. And then I'm trying to decide if I should cut this straight down or at an angle of the seat, and then have these two kind of fold in. So how would you guys tackle this problem? Would you go straight down or at an angle and then have them fold out, or just straight down and then close the box right about here? So that's the question of the day for now. Till next time.